Good evening, everybody. I think it's a lovely day. I thought I shall eat a cat. But at the moment, my barbecue's not been built, so I've still got to cook everything in the microwave. Not a problem. So tonight, I'm being lazy. So a nice drop of whiskey, like you do. Just, but doctor's orders. I'm only having the one. And technically, it should be quicker cooking in the microwave. So apparently, baked beans take 3 minutes in the microwave, or 2.5 minutes at 900 watts, which is a bit less than mine. So technically, 1.75 minutes in the microwave. Let's see how it goes, shall we? I shall put the beans in the microwave, see how long it takes. So I put the beans in the microwave, and you tell me, we'll have a guess, how long will they take? Yes. The microwave's on full power, as you can see. You can tell by the smoke. But how long do you think they'll take? Or when do we know when they're ready? Is it when the label's burnt off, or the can goes bang? Watch this space, I shall let you know. Meanwhile, Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. This is what you call a proper microwave. Let's see what happens. I'll either call you back from here or run off to Norwich. Love you all. Bye.